In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your files on Google Calendar 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a file from Google Drive to a calendar event so everyone has what they need before the meeting starts. This is perfect for sharing slide decks, agendas, spreadsheets, or any document your attendees should review ahead of time. All you need is access to Google Calendar and the file saved in Google Drive. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once Calendar loads, look through your schedule and find the event where you want to send your file. For example, this could be a meeting presentation you'll walk through with your team. Click the event to open its details. Next, click the Edit button, which looks like a pencil. This takes you to the full event editor. Here, you'll see the event title, date, time, guests, and the description box. The description is a great spot to add context, talking points, or links that will help your attendees prepare. In the toolbar above the description box, look for the Google Drive icon, the small triangle that represents Drive. Click it. This opens the file picker, where you can browse files in your Google Drive, your shared drives, or items that were recently opened. Make sure your file is saved in Google Drive. If it isn't there yet, use the Upload tab in the picker to drag and drop the file from your computer or select it from your device. Give the file a clear name so attendees can recognize it at a glance. If you work with a team, storing it in a shared drive can help keep access consistent. Once the file is in Drive, select it in the picker and click Insert. You'll see the file appear inside the event editor, usually as a linked chip or a drive link. This confirms the attachment is in place. If you'd like, add a quick note in the description to tell attendees what the file is and whether they should review it before the meeting. Finally, click Save. If your event has guests, you'll be prompted to send updates. Choose Send so everyone gets the attachment. Google may also ask to adjust sharing permissions on the file. Allow the recommended access so attendees can view it. Viewer access is typically best for most meetings. That's it. Open the event, edit it, use the Drive icon, insert your file, and save. Your attendees will receive the event update with the file ready to go.